What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on SOFI ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that we finished all 5 wave structure and it was completed just several days ago. And from this point, we have to have a retracement, and basically it happened. And I've told you that your first accumulation point might be at the range of 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. It is a Fibonacci level from the very bottom, from the $13.56 to almost $24.6. And this range is the first accumulation point where you can add to your position or open your new position. And I've told you that most likely we hit next accumulation points and the next one will be 19.04. It is a 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, and even 0.618, 0.65. It is a golden pocket at the range of $17.75 and $17.40. And it is a strong confluence level with this previous support/resistance. Right here it was support, right here it was resistance, here it was again the resistance, and for now it might become a support. And this range might be your main accumulation point, but I will show you what should we expect next in just several minutes, and let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. So, let's start with the company profile. For those of you who don't know, Social Finance, a finance company, operates an online platform that provides financial services. It offers student loan refinancing, private student loans, personal loans, auto loan refinance, home loans, mortgage loans, and investments, as well as insurance products for renters, homeowners, automobiles, and others. And for now, this company has a total market cap of $16.44 billion. They have a revenue of $867.87 million with a very good revenue growth of 89.37%. They have losses of $455.54 million, and their total cash position is $533.52 million according to this data. So I have to say that financially this company is very stable, and we can rely on this company as a contender in your investment portfolio. And let's continue with the recent news that drives the price south. On November 22nd, we have this article that was published on Seeking Alpha, and it's titled SOFI Technologies holder SoftBank sells 22.5 million SOFI shares for $486 million. And let me quote you these bullets. SoftBank Group sells 22.5 million shares of SOFI Technologies stock at $21.6 price point on November 18th. The company, through Delaware Project 10 LLC, now indirectly holds 95.3 million shares or 11.8% stake of SOFI, according to a SEC filing. Last week, Chamath Palihapitiya cut his stake in SOFI by 15%. And I have to say that this sell-off already happened in the past, but let me show you that they still have more than 95 million shares. And it is a huge stake. And on top of that, Chamath Palihapitiya also sold 15% of his stake, but he still owns 85% of his shares of this company. And this is nothing else but fixing some profits, because from the lowest point where we had our main entry point, the price is still up for about 37%. And I have to say that we have good chances to hit lower price targets, and let me show you why I think so. First of all, if we will type into the Google search bar SOFI stock and switch to news section, we cannot find any news, any recent news that might drive the price higher. All of the news was made 2 weeks ago, 6 days ago, 6 days, 3 days ago, and so on and so forth. So we don't have any news at all. And this means the price of this stock might slowly go down. And on top of that, let me show you right here, we are on a Form 10Q that was filed on November 15th, and you can find it on SOFI Technologies SEC filings. And as you can see, we have 180 pages in this filing. But if we will try to find 16.67%, we can find this. And let me quote you this subtitle. Future sales of our common stock may cause the market price of our securities to drop significantly, even if our business is doing well. And this is the main idea. So let me quote it. Pursuant to the lockup restrictions agreed in the connection with the agreement and our bylaws, subject to certain exceptions, SCH Sponsor V LLC, J. Parikh, stockholders of SOFI and holders of SOFI awards prior to the business combination, and SOFI stockholders who beneficially owned 5% or greater of SOFI and certain executive officers of SOFI were contractually restricted from selling or transferring any of its or their shares of common stock. And let me quote you this. The restriction applicable to the remaining 16.67% of the lock-up shares held by the sponsor and certain of the SOFI stockholders will end on November 24th, 2021. This means tomorrow we will see an expiration date, and it is not the 100% guaranteed. It is not their obligation, but it is their right to sell these stocks. And this sell-off might cause even lower price action for SOFI. And let me show you that the same exact lockup period, the end of lockup period, was with the Lucid, and it was at the beginning of September, right here. And I nailed this movement when I made my video right at the end of August, and I've told you that we might hit very low targets of about $15, and it happened. And that's why we have to be cautious with SOFI upcoming price action. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, for those of you who follow my channel for quite some time, you already know that we have to have the retracement that has a shape of at least simple zigzag. And for now, we have only first wave, it is A wave, and if it is the bottom, we have to have the retracement and we have to form our B wave. And then we have to have one more leg to the downside in order to form the bottom of our C wave. And for now, it is too early to make any assumptions where we might land, and it is too early to make even an assumption where we might land the top of our B wave. But we have these levels of 0.5, 0.618, 0.65, the golden pocket, and even 0.786. It is less likely that we might hit it, but still it is possible that we might go this low, and this level will be a perfect accumulation point for you if you want to invest in this company for the long term, because fundamentally nothing is changed with this company. SOFI has a very good chances to receive their bank charter by the end of this year, and in my opinion it will happen in the next couple of weeks. And then in 2022, at the very beginning of 2022, we will see the Super Bowl on the SOFI Stadium, and this will drastically improve their marketing efforts, and this will acquire a ton of new customers. So, what should we expect? In my opinion, if you believe in this company and if you want to invest, just enter your position on 0.5 level, it is a 19.04, and keep in mind that we might go lower at the golden pocket, the range in between $17.4 and $17.75, and the small fraction of your money you might leave to the range of $15.91. And I have to say that you can rely on my technical analysis, because if you will take a look on the entire list of my SOFI's videos, you will find that I nailed all the tops and all the bottoms of this recent price action, and that's why you can rely on my analysis as a part of your due diligence. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. Just be cautious and use this opportunity to enter your position. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!